When perimenopause hit, it was like all the wheels went left and fell off at the same time. I was suffering from hot flashes, frequent periods, the spotting in between the periods, UTIs, frequent, recurrent UTIs. I got married at the end of December. I got my first UTI 2 weeks later. It was misdiagnosed. I finally said, hey, I think I have a UTI. The doctor dismissed it and said it wasn't, and it turned out that it was. My body was just going absolutely bananas. I decided personally to go with the DeTox Now BalanceHer Kit. And oh my gosh, the hot flashes went away in 3 weeks. Like no hot flashes. I'm not waking up in the middle of the night just suffering. No more UTIs. I'm not getting these frequent UTIs. Moisture is good. I had the best period I've ever had in my entire life. I've never had a period that was less than 6 days. It was 5 days, y'all. 5 days. I am feeling so much better. I'm so much more confident after only 6 weeks. I got my life back. Hey, try it out. Give it a chance. I can't wait to hear what your results are. I'm really grateful. I'm happy. Thank you so much to Jesse and the team for rocking with us, doing the research and supporting us throughout this journey. I love you so much. Thank you.